They love me.
Let's pick up where we left off.
Still got the moves.
My back. Oh, my back.
That's right. It's back. DSL is back. For those of you that don't know, let's hold on a second here. The new Damn Small Linux is back. Just released the beta version in 2024. The new DSL 2024 has been reborn as a compact Linux distribution tailored for low-spec x86 computers. It packs a lot of applications into a small package. All the applications are chosen for their functionality, small size, and low dependencies. DSL 2024 also has many text-based applications that make it handy to use it in a term window or a TTY. DSL 2024 currently only ships with 2 window managers, Flixbox and JWM. Both are lightweight, fairly intuitive, and easy to use. Now, this is only for 32-bit systems. They are... Well, let me back up. Back in the day, Damn Small Linux's goal was to have a fully functional Linux operating system with 50 megabytes or less. This new version has upped the cap to 700 megabytes or less, no more. So for something that small and being a 32-bit system, it has a lot of useful programs on there. Now, I know a lot of people don't have 32-bit systems. I have one, and it's actually failing. So I would have installed this on there, but I got to keep it off to the side until I figure out a solution to get all the files off of it. So let's get into what the programs are. As Bad Wolf, light security orientated, fully HTML5 compatible. Elo, super light GUI browser. Lynx 2, text and light GUI browser. Has Abby word processor, and numeric spreadsheets. The Fed email client. Dathura, the PDF viewer. For the multimedia is MPV, XMMS for audio, MT Paint for graphics, GFTP for FTP, SFTP, and SCP. LeafPad, quick editing, ZZZFM file manager, lifted straight out of Antix. They also have Ranger. If you guys don't know what Ranger is, I'll show you that here in a little bit. It's a terminal file manager. And I actually downloaded it and installed it on my system. Not bad. It's actually pretty easy to use. Busy Data, a powerful CSV spreadsheet tool. FZF Fuzzy Finder, TMUX terminal multiplexer, MUT email client, CMUS music player, CDW CD burner, HTOP, an interactive process viewer, Surfraw with wrapper to search from the terminal or term, weather app, MPV, video audio player with wrapper, Vim and Nano for editing, 5-term based games, 2-term compatible web browsers, W3M and Lynx 2, and much more. Okay, let's get this bad boy going. There we go. Oop, no, don't do that. Go there. And I back up again. All right, let's start this. Let's start this bad mamma jamma. Okay, stop the clock on that. Full screen. Wish I knew where my 32-bit old laptop was. It's out here in the garage somewhere, but I have no idea where the power supply is for it. Okay, so since this is in VirtualBox, so we're going to do VirtualBox video. And enter if you have a 32-bit system. Top one would be yours, or if you want safe video mode, second option, fail safe boot, or if you have trouble with the bootloader, boot from hard disk, and then you got memory test. Now you should be able down here in the bottom down here, past the 1280 by 1024 video option. I tried it and it didn't change on me, so and away we go. Now, if you want to try something out like this, Antix Linux is what this is ported from, but for 32, for the 32-bit system. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this until it gets up to the desktop or the window manager, actually. Okay, it's trying to load now, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into the terminal here. On here. There we go. Yes. It doesn't have 1920 by 1080, so it'd be the closest I can get. It'd be 1680 by 1050. Oops, I typoed. No big whoop news there. There we go. All right, now we're gonna click on this and install it. Bring this full screen. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this for a moment. That's better. Had to grab a stogie and my coffee. Okay, now this is the installer for Antix Linux. I forget the name of it. My memory is horrible. All right, let's click next. Oh, let's read the text first. Damn Small Linux is an independent Linux distribution based on Debian stable. Damn Small Linux uses some components from Meepus Linux, which are released under an Apache-free license. Some Meepus components have been modified for Damn Small Linux. Enjoy using Damn Small Linux. Big thanks to Antix Linux developers. And a little imitation warning over here. Write it as is. No warranty whatsoever. It is solely your responsibility to back up your data before proceeding. Click next. We don't need to. Yeah, we don't need to encrypt this. Everything looks good. Click next. Whoops. Yep. So we'll just leave the defaults, and there's no Samba on here right now. You have to install that. I'm gonna go ahead and pause it while it's doing this. It'll take about another minute. I'm gonna go ahead and minimize this. And open this up. Okay. Styles. I want Blue Day Large. There we go. All right. Close that out. Let's get this back open. I really don't like yellow. Sorry. Sorry, DSL. And it's still going. I'll go ahead and pause it again. Okay. When it turns gray like that, it's waiting for your input. So I sat here and stared at the screen for a minute, did a Homer Simpson and then realized it was waiting for me. So click on next. Okay, system uses local time, West Coast, Pacific time, service settings. With that, nope, nope. All right, click next. Where the fun begins. Nope. Shoot. Coffee's in the way. Trying to reach around that. Do a reach around on her. That's where the password goes. Not my name. I'm gonna go ahead and enable the root account here. Just because. You're not supposed to really do it. It's dangerous. And click on save live desktop change. Click on live desktop changes there. And what I did earlier will carry over to the installation. Damn, small Linux is supported by people like you. Adjusting your sound mixer. Oh, that goes by fast. They should slow that down. Slow down the timer on that. I can't read that fast, not anymore. Installation progress. Stamp small Linux is installing. For fresh install, this will probably take 3 to 20 minutes, depending on the speed of your system and the size of your prowess. That's a real word. Okay, she's done. That didn't take 30 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it. Okay, I had to eject that virtual CD out of the way. Okay. Okay. Keep saying okay too many times. And now she's booting. I-486. We're going to find out here in a second. Get that to a more acceptable view size. Okay. See if it remembers it. Yep. There we go. One thing I don't like about these Windows managers, it does that painting thing. Remember back in the day doing web pages on web TV, typing all that stuff in and forgetting to put the right line in there to make it full screen. Anyways. Okay. Now by default, the file manager is ZZZFM. That's what this looks like right here. I don't have any program, anything, you know. There's your .desktop. Yeah. And as promised, we are going to go into the terminal. Full screen here. Type in Ranger. For those of you who don't know what it is. And to move around on these, it's just the arrow keys pretty much. And then you go over, it's right one, right arrow key. You go back is the I should read what I'm doing. Okay, escape. Oh, wait. X. Control X gets you back out of that. I'm going to try and plug in here and see if it works. I don't know if the port is working or not. Good time to check it out. I was having issues the other night. Don't know if it's gonna open up the other one. I think I won't open it in here because I didn't share it. Dang it. Oh well. I tried. Let's go to a web browser. The Bad Wolf web browser. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know if I can get anywhere on it. Let's try google.com. Search function isn't working. Well, I don't think this is ready for prime time though. Oh, we got our docs on the desktop. So, arrow key. That shows you the what's inside the file. R to open it, and open it up with Nano. Okay, let's get back out of that. How you open up files is arrow keys up and down. Well, move around is arrow keys. Escape goes back. R for open the file. You can also use J for move down, K for move up, H for move to parent directory, GG go to the top of the list, I is for preview file, R is for open file, ZH is for view hidden files, CW rename current file, YY yank copy file, DD cut file, PP paste file, U undo, Z undo changes, BD small b uppercase D delete files. But anyways, if you want to know about this, learn about it, type in Ranger, Linux, Ranger how to, and I found an article over on opensource.com that gives you the rundown on it. How I learned how to use it. Oh, no. I don't want to quit that one. We're just going to have to close it out manually. Can't do the Q on there. Sometimes it doesn't capture my keyboard correctly. H-top. See what we got. Holy mackerel. We're only using 79.2 megabytes. I wonder what that is on a fresh run. Let's find out. Start her back up. Full screen. Switch. Enter. Oops. Get that going. There we go. Oh, and the Conky loaded up correctly this time. Sweet. Okay, DPI 96, auto mount enabled, RAM. Says we're using 83.4 megabytes of RAM. Holy crap. Now we're at 75.7. That is cool as F. I'm liking this. Okay. The editor. Hello world. What's up? Nope. Don't want to save any changes on that. Web browsers, links to, and W3M. Games. We got some games on here. Ooh, hey. Play some. I'm torn. Space Invaders or Pac-Man? Eh. Press space to start. Oh, I haven't played this so long. Okay, we're gonna cancel out of this one. I was addicted to that one as a kid. Okay, let's try Pac-Man. Press any key. Uh-oh, they're after me. Man, this suck. I suck. Um, can't get to the top of the screen here. Close that out. There we go. Okay. Huh? Oh, turn maps. There we go. What games? Tetris, Space Invader, Sudoku, Pac-Man, Pi, applications, Ranger File Manager, piece of data spreadsheets, Emacs Terminal, Multiplexer, Mutt Mail Client. Why, yes, let's create that. Okay, no mail in there. Okay, WeChat. Oh, this brings back memories, man. Got your awesome mixer there. Now, I'm pretty sure you can upgrade the stuff on this. CMOS music player. Uh, Application. MPV video. Oh, that crashed. Or did it? Yep, it crashed. Try that again. Yep, crashed again. Probably because it's in. Ooh, the Conky crashed now too. That's probably because it's in the BM. Okay. DSL 2024, the sub 700 megabyte Linux distribution designed for low spec x86 computers. Why bring DSL back from the dead after all these years? Been out for well, actually, it went the way of the dinosaurs back in 2012. So it's been about 12 years now. Why bring DSL back from the dead after all these years? Simply put, I saw the need. The concept of having a functional desktop orientated sub 700 megabyte ready to go ISO has largely been abandoned. All the applications on DSL 2024 have been selected for their functionality, low RAM usage, small size, and low dependencies. The original DSL project was 50 megabytes. Why is this one so much bigger? 2024 is not the same as 2003. Hardware requirements have mushroomed. While it would be possible to make a 50 megabyte version of DSL today, it would lack compatibility and capability. Smallness for smallness sakes doesn't make sense to me. I wanted to make something. You see any egregious spelling or punctuation errors? Finally, if you appreciate what I'm doing, consider buying me a cup of coffee. You know, if I had a actually could afford coffee, I would. Find one, dude, I would. Just for doing this. Control center. Um, okay. What I'm doing is just changing the configuration file here. Save changes. Yep. And that didn't work. Why? Go back in. Window around the corner. Top left, top right. Oh, I forgot to change that one up there on top. Skip right by it. Okay, let's restart the compositor. There we go. Customize look and feel. I don't. The one thing is though, I don't like the yellow. So for that one, let's go with clear looks. Edit system monitor. Conky didn't come back up. And it's that easy changing the configuration files for those of you who haven't messed around with this window manager before. I like this. I was thinking about putting Antix on my main tower, doing a gaming video on it. For those of you out there that have a or system resource shy or lacking in that department, like me. My tower only has 8 gigs of memory. That 8 gigs of DDR3 memory. That is low spec today. Very low spec. Yep. Let's update this bad boy. I forgot to do that. So go ahead and pause it while it does that. And I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back. Like I said before, you guys want to see a gaming video on Antix, let me know. I'll go ahead and download it, install it on my main system, and I'll be more than happy and do a video on that. Okay, this is where you choose your startup services at. You can add it to, add them. Alternatives configurator. Configurator. Doesn't want to open. Edit your config files. Oh, sweet. This is where you'd get your hard drive, add your hard drive in there so it'll auto mount it for you. Be available to the system. Usually you have to dig down into the system to find that. I like that. Network. Don't forget to put your firewall on. And shares. We don't have Samba installed. Password prompt. Grab boot image. There's the login manager. Oh, it's not there. Okay. Configure auto mount. Ooh, live USB maker. And image or partition. Have sound. Get my desktop audio up there. Test the sound here.
Front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right.
Okay, that's enough of that. Drivers. Maintenance. What else we got in here? So we got the ZZ Flux box, minimal Flux box, ZZ JWM, minimal JWM, and JWM. Okay, on. Okay, off. Oh, backwards. There we go. 132 megabytes on the RAM right now. It's low. You know, I could probably get this set up. With the Antix, it would be like 120, 130 megabytes. I could probably have Steam and all that running under 600 megabytes with this window manager. I'll have to do that. Ooh, that sounds like a project. You know, if I wasn't sure that 32-bit system I had was going to die, I would put this on there and turn it into a server. Oh man. Problem is I don't have any more room over here for another tower. Oh well. Applications, Archive Manager. Is it in Grandpa? Nope, just regular Archive Manager. Okay. Where am I? Where was I? There we go. Calcurs, LeafPad, RxVT Color Unicode Terminal, ZZM File Search, Distro Tools, Chroot Rescue Scan, DSL File Restore, Live USB Kernel Updater, Login Manager, Wi-Fi Switch. Tuxbuck? See what that does. Oh, full on. That looks cool. Oh. I don't know how to play this. WADSL. Oh. I surrender. I surrender, I swear. Okay. Applications, distro tools, games. MT Paint. Oh, I don't know anything about this. Oh, okay. It's just like MS Paint. And okay, we're just making sure there's no bleed through audio. I forgot I left my desktop audio up. Sometimes I get bleed through on this mic. I'd be the blue microphone. One of those I got it from a secondhand store. Cine. Can't remember what Cine was. Oh. Oh, I don't want to accept anything. Nope. Don't want to do it. Internet, Bad Wolf, Cine, Conman UI setup, Delo. Oh, I haven't seen this in a long time. Okay. Oh man, I kind of stopped saying okay. Somebody's got to pop through the screen and get gag me or something. Range file manager, visit data, FC fuzzy finder, DMX terminal multiplexer. I think I've been already through all these. Yeah, I have. That's not the one I wanted. There we go. Multimedia, also mixer, equalizer and PV, media player wrapper, sound card chooser, XMMS. Linuxy version of the other one that Windows used to have, or still does, but hardly anybody uses it. Office, Heavy Word, a thorough PDF user, preferences. Now, if this wasn't a 32-bit system, I would try and install Steam on it. Programming, Vim.tiny. Cool. Not a Vim guy, unfortunately. You're moving too fast. Choose startup services, control center, HTOP, Ranger, root terminal. And they didn't ask for my password. App upgrade. Okay, well, I am happy to see damn small Linux back. Let me tell you. When I heard that they stopped maintaining their distro, I was a little bit sad because I'd never really gotten a chance to really try it out. And I'm glad it's back because now I obviously got the chance to try it. What do you think of it? Yeah, but do you have any 32-bit systems you could use this on? It would be good for, you know, running the internet. Just checking email, that kind of stuff. Well, with that, it's time to go, and I will see you next time. Y'all stay safe, have fun, and go buy the developer a beer. Oh, sorry. You might not drink. Buy him a coffee.
Still got the moves. Just ain't everyone love you. Heard so much about you. This is something else.